Hello everyone, this is Mr. Amit David and I will be guiding you through the new page scanning app Clear Scanner. Due to the new government guidelines, we are now recommending the Clear Scanner app, which is easier than Cam Scanner and has the same functions. Please download and install Clear Scanner app on your devices. You can get this app free of cost from Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So now let us quickly go through the Clear Scanner tutorial. Choose the Clear Scanner app. This page will open in front of you. Click on this camera button. Now before scanning, please turn off the fan so that the paper don't flip and create a blur image. Please click the setting option on the top right corner and choose the last option 1920 into 1080. Now come to the bottom and click on this page option, folded page option, one page and multiple pages option. So here we will be choosing multiple pages option so that we can scan it in one go and then we can crop it after we have scanned all the pages. It will surely help us to save time. You have to simply click on this button to start scanning. Here goes the first page. Second page. Third page. Fourth page. Fifth page. Sixth page. Seventh page. Eighth page. Remember to press the pages like this to get better result. Ninth page. 10th page. Now I have scanned 10 pages. Now I will click this right button. Click on it. It will take you to this box. Now here are few options which you have to see, like this color or black and white option. Click on it and choose the black and white option. Click on OK. Then one by one it will show you the pages which you have scanned. Just adjust it according to the need. One by one you have to adjust it. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how easy it is to fix it after choosing this multiple pages option. And this is the final 10th page. Once the adjustment and cropping part is done, you can click on this button which is given on the bottom right. This page will open in front of you. From here you have to click on this share button. Click on the share button. It will take you to this page. From this file size you can choose the smallest size. The actual size is 2.04 MB, but when you compress it, it will come to 958 KB, which is the smallest size. Click on it. You can rename it. Then click on copy option and you can save it to the internal storage to documents. Paste. Your document will be saved in your device. Now how to get your document? You have to go to the file manager, click on it, documents, and here is your file. So this way you can either save it to your device and you can also share it and upload it on the portal. Thank you.